Why I learned English. English is a very important language in today's world. It is spoken in many countries. It is also used in schools, colleges, jobs, and even on the internet. I learned English because I wanted to grow, learn new things, and talk to more people. In this essay, I will share the reasons why I decided to learn English. 1. For education. English is the main language in many schools and colleges. Most of the good books, videos, and courses are in English. When I wanted to study something new, I saw that most of the study material was in English. That is why I decided to learn it. It helped me understand my subjects better and also improved my marks. 2. For a better job. In today's time, if you want a good job, English is very important. Many companies ask if you can speak, read, and write English. I wanted to work in a good place and earn more money. So, I started learning English. Now, I feel more confident in job interviews and meetings. 3. To talk to more people. English is a global language. People in different countries speak different languages, but many of them know English. I wanted to talk to people from other places. I also wanted to make new friends online. Learning English helped me do that. Now I can chat with people from different countries and learn about their cultures too. 4. For travel. I love to travel. But when I went to new places, I faced problems because I did not know English well. Signs, directions, and hotel staff mostly used English. After learning English, traveling became easy for me. I can now ask for help, read signs, and talk to people without fear. 5. To use the internet better. Most of the websites, apps, and videos on the internet are in English. I wanted to use the internet for learning and fun. But I could not understand many things before. After learning English, I enjoy watching YouTube videos, reading blogs, and learning new skills online. 6. For confidence. Before learning English, I was shy. I was afraid to talk in public. But when I started learning and speaking English, I became more confident. Now I can speak in front of others. I can express my thoughts better. People listen to me and respect me more. English gave me the power to speak with confidence. 7. To teach others. I also want to help others learn English. I know how difficult it feels in the beginning. Now that I can speak and write in English, I want to support my friends and family. I can share what I know and help them grow too. 8. For my dreams. Everyone has dreams. I want to travel, work in a good company, and maybe even go abroad one day. All these dreams need good English. That is why I learned English. I believe it will open many doors for me. Conclusion. English is not just a subject. It is a key to success in many parts of life. I learned English for my studies, job, travel, and personal growth. It was not easy, but with practice, I